Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Shane. In today's video, I will show you how to make blueberry lemon filling. For this recipe, you will need fresh lemon curd, and if you don't have a recipe for lemon curd, I do have a recipe video up on my YouTube channel already. I will put the link down below. Do check that out. It is an amazing recipe for lemon curd. You will not be disappointed at all. And then second, you will need 125 grams of blueberry, fresh. And you will need 6 cups of Swiss buttercream. And if you don't have a recipe for that, I do have a video for Swiss buttercream up on my YouTube channel already. I will also leave the link down below. It is an amazing Swiss buttercream recipe. Now let's get started. Put the whole blueberry into a food processor. Now the blueberry has been processed. We are going to start with our blueberry Swiss buttercream process. That's 6 cups of Swiss buttercream, and now you can go ahead and add in your blueberry. Once you're done adding all the blueberry into your Swiss buttercream, turn your machine speed level to number 2 and continue whipping until well combined. This process will only take 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, they are well combined, and this is all that you need to do. Now you can transfer it into a piping bag. Now I will be bagging my fresh lemon curd that I made the night before. are bagged and ready to go. Now we can start filling in our shells. When I fill in my shells, I like to go in a circle with my blueberry Swiss buttercream and then come back with my lemon curd in the middle. There's no right or wrong way on how to fill in your shells. It's all preference, and this is just what I like to do when I fill in my blueberry and lemon curd. Here we go with the lemon curd. Don't they just look amazing and it makes you want to eat right away? Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite. We go with the assembling part, and I like to put in the other shells on top and kind of work my way in so that the lemon curd show a little bit on the side, because it looks really delicious when you see a little bit of the lemon curd and the blueberry Swiss buttercream. And this is how you make blueberry lemon. This is it. It is super simple. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so. And again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.